Next topic is Revised National Tuberculosis Control Program RNTCP. As you know, tuberculosis is a chronic infectious disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which was discovered by Robert Koch, also known as Koch's bacillus. Most common organ involved is the lungs, greater than 80%, but it can involve any organ of the human body except hair and nails. It usually affects a human in the age group of 15 to 59 years. Classification of TB, pulmonary and extrapulmonary. Pulmonary is 85 to 90% and extrapulmonary is 10 to 15%. Pulmonary, sputum positive TB, those who have bacteria in the sputum. Sputum negative TB, those who do not have bacteria in the sputum. Extrapulmonary, lymph nodes, joints, genitourinary tract, spinal tract, and also intestines. Symptoms of TB, as you know, most common symptom of TB is cough for 2 weeks or more. Other symptoms of TB are fever, especially evening rise, pain in the chest, loss of weight, loss of appetite, coughing up blood-stained sputum, shortness of breath, and tiredness. How TB spreads? Those who have tuberculosis of the lungs are the ones who can spread the disease to others. When these infectious people cough, sneeze, or talk or spit, they can spread TB bacteria into the air in the form of tiny droplets. When these droplets are inhaled by a healthy person, he or she can get infected with tuberculosis. A sputum positive TB patient can infect 10 to 15 persons in a year. When to suspect TB? TB should be suspected in anyone with cough for 2 weeks or more. These persons should have sputum examination in the nearest microscopy center at the earliest. TB HIV co-infection. TB is the most common opportunistic infection amongst HIV infected individuals. An HIV infected person newly infected with TB has 10 to 30 times higher chances of developing TB than those with HIV. In India, 55 to 60% of AIDS cases reported had TB, and TB is one of the leading causes of death in the people living with HIV/AIDS. Every TB patient should be referred to ICTC for HIV status and vice versa. Risk of infection, about 2 persons infected in every 3 seconds. Diabetes, malignancy, tobacco smoking, and smoking tobacco, malnutrition and alcohol abuse also increase the risk of progression. 2 out of every 5 Indians are infected with TB bacillus. Burden of the disease, you can read up. Of the estimated 9.6 million people who developed TB in 2014, more than half, 58% were in Southeast Asia and Western Pacific regions, and a further 1/4, 28% were in African region. India, China, and Indonesia alone accounted for 23%, 10%, and 10% of total cases respectively. In 2014, an estimated 3.2 million cases are women. In India, accounts for nearly 1/4 of the global burden of TB. Around 2.2 million developed TB in 2013 to 14. During the same period, 0.27 million people died due to TB. Every day, 20,000 people become infected, 5,000 develop TB, and more than 1,000 died due to the disease. 2 persons become sputum positive for TB, and almost 1 person is killed every minute due to the disease. You know the history of TB. I'm not going into it. All this history, you know, I'm not going to